I mean, that's crazy.
That was a gas shot.
That was good. That was really good.
What you just saw was this gun shooting this Nerf bullet through that can. And this is nothing more than a cheap Harbor Freight nail gun, some PVC, and some 3D printed parts. And in this video, I'm going to show you what I did to create this. Here I have the disassembled nail gun. When the trigger is pulled, it opens a valve inside the gun, allowing compressed air to flow into the upper chamber above the piston. This air pressure pushes the piston and attached driver blade downward, driving the nail into the material. To ensure safety, the gun has a contact tip that must be pressed before the trigger can be pulled. A pneumatic nail gun operates using compressed air supplied by an air compressor through an air hose, typically at 70 to 120 psi. I am testing the nail gun with the driver taken out. Without the driver, the compressed air blast goes right through the front of the gun. After this test, I knew the gun was going to work. Now all I needed to do was create some 3D printed parts. I created this simple part to connect a PVC barrel to the front of the nail gun using the existing mounting screws. And I created this barrel cover seal where I could load Nerf bullets into the barrel more easily. I dimensioned these parts to fit as snug as possible so minimal air was lost. Now all I needed to do was build the 3D parts and assemble the gun. And that's all there is to it. Now I'll show some of the testing of the gun. Right now I have the gun all set up. The air compressor is pressurized to 90 psi.
and I have these mini marshmallows that I'm gonna shoot at this piece of cardboard, and then we'll see how we do. See.
I'm not. That is.
Shout out to my friend Mark for letting me shoot him. This is his back immediately after. He still has a super bad welt and it's been around a month. I wouldn't be surprised if it leaves a scar. As a fun test, we put a nail through the tip of a Nerf dart and shot it at a quarter. As you can see, this thing is no joke, so be careful if you make one. Thanks for watching the video, and I have more fun projects coming up in the future.